Hello, welcome to the Panic Room. My name is Katt and I am working in my makeup studio today to show you how to do this vintage makeup look. This is a makeup look that was inspired from Greece, and also it is inspired by the classic blue eyeshadow that was used in the 1950s. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this look, and please feel free to follow along. Let's get started.
Alright, so we're going to go in with the eyeshadow primer and we're going to apply that all over the lid. This is going to help the makeup stay in that area and also help our color pay off because we're working with some colorful makeup today. Let that dry for 30 seconds and then we're going in with our white eyeshadow from the Kat Von D Metal Matte palette. We're going to apply that with a fluffy brush and pat that heavily onto the lid and then into the brow bone area. This is going to help the blue really pop, and it's also going to give us a great base just by blanking out that entire canvas. Now we go in with our blue. This is a powder blue from Sugar Pill that I have, and I'm just going to apply it on the inner corners of the eyes and then spread it across the lid into a classic smoky eye formation. I'm going to really get in there and pat it on top of the white so we get the full color payoff. And I'm also going to cover the rest of the lid and smoke it up towards the crease. I also apologize, I had an allergic reaction onto my forehead from a lotion that I was trying previously, so I have a massive breakout. Please don't judge me, that is why we have foundation. Carrying on to the brows, this is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in taupe. I'm just going to fill in the brow, extend the tail ever so slightly, and then I'm going to fill in the arch a little bit exaggerated. And like I've done this previously in my other vintage makeup videos, this is because in the decade, big, bold, strong arches on brows were very in style. To help to keep the brow hair controlled, I'm going in with the Wiz Brow Gel from Anastasia. I'm just going to comb that through on the brow hairs, and that keeps the brow hair in place, and that way they don't stray or feather out. Now I'm taking a waterproof liquid eyeliner brush, I guess I should say. We're going to create the cat eye, which is super important for this look. We're going to start off by tight lining the whole eye, and I start with my dominant side, which is my left side, and I just follow the lash line ever so slightly. And once I'm happy with that, once I'm happy with that, we're going to create the wing. So it's kind of got a nice wedge going on. I'm just going to follow along with the bottom lash line there and create a lovely sharp wedge and tail with the liner. Voila. I'm taking a nude eyeliner pencil now, and I'm going to go into the waterline on the bottom of the eye. It's just going to give it a more dough-like appearance. And also, this is really classic for the pinup look, is a heavy eyeliner on the top with a wing, and then kind of a blanked out bottom waterline with a soft shadow underneath. This just kind of keeps the eye looking open, round, and dough-like. Now, curling those eyelashes before a little mascara. This is also a good time after you curl your eyelashes to put your falsies on. Today, I'm not going to do that. My skin has already had a hard time, so the less sort of glues and adhesives, the better today. But yeah, an extra curl here and there, and then some mascara. And we're going to put about 2 layers on the top and 1 layer on the bottom, just to give those lashes a nice thick coat and to give them some lift. Now taking Face Atelier in number 5, this is my favorite foundation. I'm going to go in with a blender brush and I'm just going to buff my whole face with the foundation, and I'm going to take some small drops on my middle finger after, and I'm going to apply them to any little areas like my blemishes for some extra coverage. What I love about Face Atelier is that it literally covers almost anything and still looks natural on the skin and also feels super lightweight. So I'm able to cover all my blemishes fairly easily and still not look caked in makeup. We're going to go with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop blotting powder. I'm just going to blot the areas that I feel I need to take the shine off, so any hot spots that are looking a little on the greasier side. I'm going to go with this Essence Matte Bronzing Powder, and I'm just going to hit under the cheeks, under the jawbone, around the perimeter of the face to add a little bit of warmth. For typical pinup makeup, the girls tend to look a little more fair, but I'm a little more olive toned, so I've messed with that a little bit just to kind of keep the warmth in. Plus summer is coming, and I like to look a little more bathed in the sun. Now I'm taking a bubblegum pink and I'm going to hit right on top of the bronzing on the cheekbone, and I'm also going to concentrate on the apples of the cheeks as well. This is very decade appropriate, hitting the apples of the cheeks with a bright blush. Something really important to think about is when you do a blue eyeshadow, you don't want to have a bright red lip, because that would be very clashy and it might read a little bit of a Twisted Sister. So try maybe something else like a coral or a hot pink like I am. This will kind of play off the blue a bit more because the dark pink does have a blue undertone, and it will go with the blue eyeshadow better than say a corally bright red that is also very pinup style and appropriate to the decade. I'm filling in the lips with the Milani Fuchsia pencil first, and then I'm going to go on top with a fuchsia lip balm that's going to add a little bit of extra moisture but also pump up the color and keep the lips soft and kissable. This lip balm I'm using is the Dragon Fruit Lip Balm from the Body Shop. It smells amazing, it tastes amazing, and it's just so fun, and I think the color is absolutely perfect.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that makeup look. Thanks for tuning in and following along. My name is Katt. Please like and subscribe for more makeup vintage videos, as well as other makeup videos and other vintage videos. I'm a vintage enthusiast from Southern Alberta, and I'm very excited to be sharing all this fun stuff with you guys. And feel free to also like me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram under Katt Makeup. Awesome. Have a great day, guys. Stay safe.